Imagine waking up every morning checking your phone and seeing thousands of dollars coming into your bank account, effortlessly. Do you want to make an extra $5,000 without lifting a finger? Here are the top 5 passive income ideas that can get you there. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can start earning $5,000 with these amazing passive income strategies. Let's kick things off with dividend stocks. These are companies that are already established, making profits hand over fist, and they decide to share a piece of those earnings with you, the investor, just for holding on to their stock. Think of it like owning a little piece of a giant money-making machine. Just buy the right ones, sit back and watch the passive income roll in. Next up, we're diving into the world of real estate crowdfunding, a revolutionary way to invest in property without the hassle of being a landlord. Real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul have completely changed the game. These platforms pool money from investors like you and me and invest it into large-scale real estate projects, from apartment complexes to commercial buildings. You become a partial owner in these properties. And just like with dividend stocks, you get to sit back and collect your share of the rental income, completely passively. You can start investing with as little as a few $100s, making it accessible to virtually anyone. So, if you're looking to build long-term wealth and generate passive income without the headaches of traditional real estate crowdfunding is definitely worth exploring. Now let's talk about peer-to-peer lending, a fascinating way to earn passive income while helping others achieve their financial goals. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club and Prosper connect borrowers looking for loans with investors like you who are willing to lend money for a return. As an investor, you get to choose which loans you want to fund based on the borrower's creditworthiness, loan purpose, and interest rate. You can diversify your investments across multiple loans to minimize risk and potentially earn higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts or CDs. Borrowers may default on their loans, which is why it's crucial to do your due diligence. Understand the platform's risk assessment system and diversify your investments wisely. With careful planning and a strategic approach, peer-to-peer lending can be a lucrative addition to your passive income portfolio. Let's move on to affiliate marketing, a fantastic way to monetize your passions and earn passive income by recommending products or services you love. You sign up for an affiliate program, get your unique affiliate link, and share it with your followers through your blog, social media channels, or email list. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. You don't need to create your own products, handle inventory, or deal with customer service. To succeed in affiliate marketing, it's essential to build trust with your audience by providing valuable content and recommending products or services that genuinely add value to their lives. Last but not least, let's talk about creating and selling online courses. A powerful way to leverage your knowledge and expertise to generate passive income on a global scale. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easier than ever to create, host, and sell your courses to a global audience. Once you create your course, it can generate passive income for years to come without requiring your constant involvement. You can create courses on virtually any topic imaginable, from photography and graphic design to coding, marketing, and personal finance. Promote your course through social media, email marketing, and by collaborating with other creators in your niche. Online courses offer a fantastic opportunity to share your knowledge, empower others, and create a sustainable source of passive income. So, there you have it. Dividend stocks, real estate crowdfunding, peer-to-peer lending, affiliate marketing, and online courses. 5 incredible passive income strategies that can help you achieve financial freedom. Which of these ideas are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money and achieving financial freedom. Until next time, keep hustling and stay focused on building the life of your dreams. Have a beautiful day.